Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a pending transaction in Trust Wallet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So step number 1 is to check network status. Verify if the blockchain network, like for example Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain, is congested. You can use sites like Etherscan or BSC Scan to check the status. Step number 2 is to increase gas fees. Go to the transaction details in Trust Wallet. If the transaction is still pending, you can try increasing the gas fees to expedite the processing. For step number 3 is to cancel the transaction. If the transaction remains pending, you can attempt to cancel it. To do that, go to Settings, tap on Wallet, and then tap on Manage. After that, you'll see Cancel Transaction. Just tap on that. Step number 4 is to create a new transaction. If the transaction doesn't cancel, you can create a new transaction with a higher gas fee to bypass the pending transaction. And lastly is to wait for the confirmation. Sometimes it just takes time. Wait for a few minutes to see if the transaction is confirmed. If it remains pending for too long, consider reaching out to the Trust Wallet support for assistance. And there you have it. These steps should help you resolve pending transaction in Trust Wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!